I never believed in God until I started experiencing strength in my own home. It all began when I noticed my belongings were being moved, even though I was certain I had placed them correctly. Every night, as I prepared to go to sleep, I would hear the coming from somewhere in the house. It's like the sound of someone clicking their tongue. The sound was clear, as if someone was standing right next to me. I tried to ignore it, telling myself it was just my imagination. But things didn't stop there. I started feeling like someone was watching me. Every time I turned around, no one was there. But the eerie sensation of being watched persisted.